If you ever wondered about forming your own LLC in Michigan, you are in the right place. We are about to break down the step-by-step process from choosing the perfect business name to navigating those post-formation tasks. Stick around because we'll cover everything: naming your LLC, choosing a registered agent, filing your LLC articles, crafting an operating agreement, getting your EIN, and those crucial post-formation steps to keep your business thriving. So, if you are ready, hit that subscribe button and sit back. I'll take you through everything you need to know before starting an LLC in Michigan. How to start an LLC in Michigan in 2024. But before that, if you want to speed up your LLC setup without the stress for a reasonable cost, you can avoid the hassle by opting for a professional service. My go-to choice is no stress registered agent. They are budget friendly, protect your privacy, and simplify the entire process. Check out the link in the description to learn more. Step 1. Name your Michigan LLC. Now, picking the correct name is crucial, and here's the lowdown. First thing first, you want a name that's not just good but rocks. Naming is a big deal in Michigan, and many LLC applications get rejected because they either sound too much like existing businesses or including no-go terms. So, here are the rules to follow. Your name should end with limited liability company, limited co, LLC or LC. No playing pretend. Avoid names that suggest you are a government agency or a business that needs special licenses. Also, steer clear of words hinting at different legal entities like Corp or INC. And here's a pro tip to make sure your name stands out from the crowd of other businesses in Michigan. You can check if the name you need is up for grabs using the Michigan portal's free online business name search. Link for that in the description. And here's a quick note. Once you have got the name, take the domain for your LLC's website. Step 2. Choose a resident agent. Alright, let's dive into step 2 of forming your Michigan LLC and finding a registered agent. Now, this is the person on the entity that's like the legal point person for your business. They'll get and forward all those essential legal documents to you, stuff like government notices, complaints, or legal actions against your LLC. Here's what you need to know. Your registered agent needs to have a physical address in Michigan. No PO boxes are allowed. Now, you can be your own registered agent or tap a friend or family member. But heads up, their name and address become public record, which might be a privacy concern for some. Here's the kicker about commercial resident agent services like Northwest. These folks offer privacy and save you time dealing with paperwork, letting you focus on your business hustle. Northwest is a solid choice. They have been in this field for over 20 years and know their stuff. Check out the link in the description below for an exclusive deal. But wait, there's more. Northwest goes the extra mile. They'll scan every piece of mail you get and upload it to your account so you can check it virtually. That's some next level service to keep your business running smoothly. Step 3. File articles of organization. Let's dive into step 3 of getting your Michigan LLC off the ground. Filing your LLC's articles of organization. This is a crucial step, so buckle up for the ride. Your articles of organization are like the birth certificate for your LLC, and you file this with the Michigan Department of Licensing and Regulatory Affairs, or LARA for short. This document means your LLC's name, purpose, expected duration, and all the vital info about your registered agent. Now, Michigan LLCs are assumed to be member managed unless you state otherwise in Article 5 of the Articles of Organization. Just a little heads up. Now, you got two ways to file: by mail or online. While the postal service is an option, filing online through the corporation's online filing system is smoother. No matter how you file, there's a filing fee of $50. If your LLC is registered in another state, but you want to do business in Michigan, there's a different form. The application for certificate of authority. It has the same fee and the same filing process. Processing time for the articles of organization and the certificate of authority ranges from 10 to 15 days. Here's a cool Michigan specific tip. If you are a veteran, you might be eligible to file for free. Grab the veteran free waiver request form and submit it with proof of your veteran status and complete articles of organization to LARA. Step 4. Draft an operating agreement. Think of the operating agreement as your LLC's rulebook, a private contract between members laying down the crucial ownership and governance details. It's your secret weapon for avoiding conflicts and keeping everyone on the same page. Here's the cool part. Your LLC can be manager managed, where some members take backseat, or member managed, where everyone's hands on in the management game. In Michigan, you have to specify this in the operating agreement, and here's a heads up. Some banks might ask for your operating agreement and a business plan when setting up a business bank account or going after loans. That's step 4. Folks, creating an operating agreement for a smooth sailing LLC journey. Step 5. Obtain an employee identification number, EIN. Let's talk about step 5 in setting up your Michigan LLC, getting an employee identification number or EIN. Now, this is like the social security number for your business, and it's the final piece of the puzzle. Your EIN is crucial for the IRS to keep tabs on your business's taxes and filing status. Plus, you will need it to open a business bank account, manage federal and state taxes, and hire employees. The best part, the process is a breeze and won't cost you a dime. Just head over to the IRS website, fill out a quick online form and submit it. It will take you about 10 minutes tops. Post formation guides. Let's talk about what happens after successfully forming your LLC in Michigan. There are a few key steps you will want to keep in mind to keep your business running smoothly. First, you will need to file a Michigan annual report every year. This report updates the state on your LLC's current status and operations. It's due by February 14th annually, and the fee is $25. Remember, this starts the year after your LLC is formed, but if you formed your LLC after September 30th, you get a little extra time. Here's a crucial tip. Keep your business assets and transactions separate from your personal ones. This is super important for maintaining the limited liability protection your LLC provides. Mixing personal and business transactions or blending can put your personal assets at risk if things go south. One way to keep things organized is by having a separate business checking account and business credit card. Building business credit is a smart move for your LLC's financial health. You can find out preferred resources and cards in the description below. Now, let's talk about business insurance. It's not just a good idea, it's often required. With all the risks businesses face, having the right coverage is critical to protecting your investment. And here's where Northwest comes in. They offer services that can simplify many of these processes and payments. Plus, they provide free agent services for a year. So, you got one less thing to worry about. So, there you have it. The post-formation steps to keep your Michigan LLC thriving. Check out the resources in the description below for more info on how to keep your LLC running smoothly. And that's a wrap on setting up an LLC in Michigan. But hey, if you want to set up an LLC in other state, I got you covered too. Check out our guides for forming an LLC in different states in the description below. You have just unlocked the key steps to launch your LLC in Michigan for 2024. From choosing a name and obtaining a registered agent to filing those crucial documents and obtaining your EIN. You have mastered the essentials, but the journey doesn't end. There are annual reports separating business and personal transactions, and securing business insurance are vital post-formation steps. Remember, Northwest can be your ally, simplifying processes and providing free agent services for a year. If you guide valuable, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more business insights, and check the description for additional resources. Cheers to you on your successful Michigan LLC journey. And until next time, entrepreneurs, keep building your business dreams.